Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics,
Section 4.6, Problem 13. This is Section 4.6, Problem 13. It says 10 is what percent of 50? And we want to solve this as a proportion. So, as we set it up to use the proportion, we want the question to be in the form A is P percent of B. And that's really what we have. A is some percent of B. So it's in the right form. We don't have to rearrange it. And when we have that form that we want, we're going to use the formula A over B equals P over 100. And as we fill this in, I just go around the circle. A is P percent of B. You start at A and go right around, come back. So start with the A. That's the first part. That's the 10. Will be my equals. What percent? That's the unknown. So what technically is the P? Percent goes in as a 100. I'll put you back under the 10, 50. So now to solve that, we cross multiply. Now if you want, you can reduce the 10 and the 50. They reduce very nicely. You can chop off the zeros. Basically what really you're doing is dividing 10 into the numerator, dividing 10 into the denominator. So you'll have 1 over 5 equals P over 100. So to solve something like that, you cross multiply. 5 times P, 1 times 100. So 5 times P is 5P. 1 times 100 is 100. That's 1 times anything is easy. So to solve for P, divide out the 5. P equals 100 divided by 5. And I know that 5 divides into 100 evenly. It divides in 20 times. So P is 20. And because it's a P, it's a percent, the answer will be 20%. So 10 is what percent of 50? 10 is 20% of 50.